Vitamin A is a powerful nutrient that plays a vital role in maintaining your overall health. First and foremost, it is known for its incredible benefits to our vision. A diet rich in vitamin A can help prevent night blindness and reduce the risk of age-related macular degeneration. But that's not all. This vitamin is also crucial for a strong and healthy immune system. Vitamin A enhances the function of white blood cells, which are essential in fighting off infections. Moreover, it promotes healthy skin by encouraging cell production and tissue repair. If you love strong hair, you'll be thrilled to know that it also prevents hair loss and maintains scalp health. For mothers-to-be, vitamin A supports fetal growth and development. Let's not forget its role in reproductive health for both men and women. You can find vitamin A in foods like sweet potatoes, carrots, and spinach. However, getting too much can be harmful, so it's best to balance your intake. By incorporating the right amount of vitamin A into your diet, you can enjoy these fantastic health benefits. Subscribe to our channel for more.